Hello from Ural of New England in Boxborough, Massachusetts. We just finished installation of this winch on burnt orange custom Ural gear up, and you probably saw our first two videos, one on the winchkin content presentation and the second one on the installation techniques and basically how to install your Ural winch. Okay, so now we installed it, and we have the winch, we have a remote control, and on the remote control we're going to press on off button for 3 seconds. It's going to turn it on, and now we can extend or retract right from the remote control. We also have a quick release, which is right here, and with the quick release we basically just going to pull that off, and now we're able to, okay, so we're able to pull the winch, and it's a pretty long winch cable, so we're gonna actually do something cool. We're going to actually connect the winch and pull another vehicle with it. So let's give this a try. How do you like this vehicle? It's a military 1969 Unimog built by Mercedes. Let's back out of it. We're going to retract the winch using a quick release. I may be parked a little too far, but we'll see. Okay, and I'm going to use the soft cable, soft strap that we also offer in our e-store, and this is nice to secure your bike on a trailer. I don't know if it's gonna, I think it's over 2,000 pounds load, so it should hold up. But if it doesn't, we'll do something else. Yeah, we still have plenty of winch cable available. And let's just see. We're going to start the bike up. Turn the winch on. Okay, I'm going to hold both wheels of the bike and the front wheel, and going to glance at the cable. It's looking good. It's always a good thing to inspect the cable. I'm going to step on the brake again. Front brake as well. Okay, well, you always want to have the cable straight, and the way I park the bike, it's not going straight, but it obviously pulls the truck just fine. Yeah, the cable and the winch, everything it's pretty tight, and let's see, we're gonna extend a little bit. So here's your Ural winch in operation. It works awesome. It's really nice and neat, really neat. It doesn't take away from the looks of the bike. And the winch will pull 2,500 pounds, and that is with a straight cable. You can also you know, put it this way and it will double up on the load. Thank you for viewing this video. This sums up our winch presentation, installation, and operation. Have fun with your Ural, be safe, and check out our website. Thank you. Okay, we just did a winch presentation on this Unimog, and the Ural was pulling it. You probably saw it if you saw this video prior to this one. And Scott does some marketing for our dealership. He does a great job. He was around today and he was fascinated with the fact that this relatively small but very rugged motor vehicle on 3 wheels effortlessly pulled this truck on you know, rough terrain. And so Scott, what was your first reaction to what you saw?
Shock.
Okay, and after that?
This is a giant vehicle, and it was moved relatively effortlessly by this little bike, seemingly little bike, next to this giant vehicle. So yeah, I was in disbelief until I saw it move.
And you didn't really notice what's pulling it because you said that's so discreet.
Yeah, the winch really isn't noticeable. It's very tidy. It's a very tidy setup, and you really don't notice it until it's in operation, and when it is, you really do notice it because it pulled this giant Unimog, and I'm still in shock.
Okay, okay.
Shouldn't be possible, but it is.
It is possible. And if you look at it again, look at you almost don't see the wires. We're going to zoom in on the winch, I'm sure, and it just and it's all through this remote control.
It's so clean.
Yes, and there are some warnings here, but they're all reasonable. Most people will follow.
Unlike us.
Well, we did.
We did.
And we encourage everybody. Thank you for viewing this video. Scott, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.